Hello everyone, I have a bunch of things I need to do and get done today, so I'm just going to get started, and filming it motivates me to actually do it and get it done. So I usually start with my room. I'm not today. I'm going downstairs because I need to clip my dog's nails. Bonnie and Bella let me clip the nails. Puppy has to go to the vets because she is not having it, and I'm not risking making her bleed, so but yeah, I'm gonna go do that and take my washing down. Also, do you like my outfit today? I don't know why I'm showing you like this, but this video has actually taken me like 2 weeks to film. I would say I've had a lot going on, so I couldn't film it, but I haven't. I just haven't filmed it. But yeah, I want to show you what I got. So firstly, from Amazon, I brought one of these finally. So this is a scalp massager, but I've seen it on TikTok, of course. It looks sharp, but it's actually like rubber. It's actually really nice. But like you like rub in your shampoo and stuff like that and like massage your head, and apparently it's meant to like stimulate blood flow, your hair will grow faster. So I'm gonna try that out. I got some vitamin C face serum. I've heard so many good things about vitamin C for your skin and your health lately, so I just wanted to give it a go. So I've used it a bit already. Oh my god, I keep doing weird hiccups, and it doesn't smell the best. It kind of smells like oranges, but then it goes into like a weird chemical-y smell. And then people were raving about this also on TikTok. It's a lip plump. So there's two in here. One you use in the daytime, and then one you use at night time, which is the grey one. And I've been using it. I don't see no difference. It only kind of works when you put it on, but it just stings. Yeah, let me put that on and see if you can tell. My lips get a bit bigger, but I don't think they do. I don't think it works. Moving on, I went to Primark and look at this set. Are you kidding me? That is adorable. I love this so much. It's only £6 and it is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. I'm so excited to wear it. I wanted this hoodie from last Christmas. I wanted it so bad. It's just an hoodie, but it's massive, and look at the colours on it, and it's so fluffy. My boyfriend brought me this. Thank you so much. I absolutely love hoodies. I got this pack of 2 because I needed a new one because the other one was ripping on me, and you know, So yay. Some cleansing wipes. Then I got like a, what do you call it? Like a bow headband, because every time I'm trying to do skincare and stuff, my hair gets in my face and it just irritates me and it puts me off doing my skincare. So this will be handy. I always say, oh, I need to get one of those, but I never do. So here you go. It's so pretty. I love the colour. And I went on Amazon again. Whoops. But I don't know if you watch like my cleaning videos or decluttering, but if you haven't, one of these drawers, I think it's the fourth one down, it is a mess. It's just full of beauty products and whatever, you know, and it's just a mess. I hate opening the drawer because no matter how much I organise it, it still looks like crap. So I brought some like containers. They're all different sizes. So, oh my god, why do they individually wrap them? That's really annoying. They just look like this in loads of different sizes. But yeah, I hope it can make it look a little bit better, because at the moment, and since I put stuff in a drawer, it's just been horrendous and I don't like it. That will be in the video to come. What inspired me to show you everything that I brought is I got some Lush packages. My favourite place in the world. So I ordered some stuff and then I brought it and I was like, oh damn, I need this, this and this as well. So that's why there's 2 boxes. But in the first box we have rose jam shower gel. They're little like shower jellies that you like pour bits off, and but they're too slippery and they always end up in my bath and it's just annoying. So I wanted an actual gel. No, it does smell nice. The first time I smelled it, I was like, ew, but that's nice. And I got some more grease lightening spot treatment. I swear by this. I've been using this since I was like 14 and it is just, it's amazing. And then I got a little tea tree water. And then I got Marshmallow World bath bomb, which is, oh, stunning. And then they gave you 3 samples as well. Sleepy body lotion, look how tiny and cute. Dream cream body lotion. Sweet Wild Orange hand balm, which, oh my god, I've never tried it until I got this sample, but I will be buying it. It smells, I love hot orange scents. Yes, so I'm really happy about that. But anyway, the next box even is a littler box. They also gave me 3 little free samples. Mask of Magnanimity, I don't know if I said that right. Another sleepy body lotion and ultra bland self-preserving cleanser, which I wanted to try one of the self-preserving ones, so brilliant, thank you very much. And then I got a face mask, Glen Coco. This is the first mask I ever tried from Lush. A lady in Lush recommended it to me and tried it on my arm and stuff and I fell in love. It smells like chocolate and every time I have this mask I want to eat it. Like, it's just too good. And then I also got I also got Let the Good Times Roll fresh cleanser. It looks disgusting but it smells so good and I swear they put popcorn in it. Down that side there, can you see all the little white things? That's popcorn, I'm pretty sure. Got Lush Lashes mascara, which I use anyway, but like the one I've got now, I don't think it has much left in it and it's like dried out, so yeah boy. But yeah, I think that's everything. Wonderful, wonderful. literally only done this page and this page for this month. I didn't know what theme to go for, and also I can't be bothered to do like the YouTube planning and the affirmations and stuff because I feel like it's more of a chore to use it, so I'd rather not use it because this is like for fun. So yeah, this is just to plan stuff, and then this page that's empty will be the memories page with like Polaroids in it from August. So